So, Ableton Live 12 is here, but which edition should you actually get? Intro or Standard or Suite? Let's break down what each one includes and who each is really for. So, Live Intro, $99. This is the entry-level version. You get Ableton's full workflow, session view, arrangement view, MIDI audio editing, but with heavy limitations. You get only 16 tracks, 8 scenes, and just a handful of instruments. It's enough to sketch beats or to test the waters, but you'll hit the ceiling quite fast. What else do you got? We've got Live Standard, which is $449. And in Live Standard, this is where you get real production power. You get unlimited tracks, full automation, advanced audio warping, and deeper set of devices and effects. It includes a drum rack, sampler, and complex warp modes, essential tools for anyone producing full songs, remixing, or working with stems. And you get the Live Suite, which is about $749. It's the full package, everything in standard, plus all Ableton devices, Macs for live, and a massive sound library. You get unique synths like Wavetable, Operator, and Collision, plus effects like Convolution, Reverb Pro, and Granulator 2. Max for Live unlocks custom instruments, visuals, and endless community-made tools. The differences are basically track count, unlimited in Standard and Suite, but capped in Intro. Devices and effects, Standard gives you the essentials, Suite gives you everything. And Max for Live, which is Suite only. A huge feature if you like customization or experimental workflows. So, go Intro if you're just starting and want to learn the workflow. Pick Standard if you're producing seriously and need flexibility. And grab Suite if you want the full creative playground, especially if sound design or Max for Live is your thing. If this cleared things up, hit like and subscribe if you want more no-fluff DAW breakdowns.